It's the early 1400s. The world is still flat and the wheel is a new and groundbreaking invention. You are in Paris, France.
Bonjour.
And playing a game of cards at a table with a shady looking man. As the cards are dealt, your attention is caught as the shady man switches his pair of cards out for cards he had hidden up his sleeve. He does it so quickly, however, that you don't know what you have just seen. And before you know it, he has won the round, taken everyone's money, and left. But, unbeknownst to you, you have just witnessed one of the first card tricks ever performed. From here, sleight of hand card tricks would evolve from cheating at card games.
He's hacking, take him serious, he's hacking.
To entertaining performances for royalty and high-class citizens. But more recently, modern audiences have changed just a little bit. Card tricks nowadays range from street magic and mainstream TV shows, all the way to stage tricks for online attention and clickbait YouTube thumbnails. Now, when you think about card magicians, they can all be quantified into three main stereotypes. The first is the street magician. Now, this magician can be found nearly anywhere in the wild and will fearlessly approach anybody to show them their best card trick.
You're not on my level. You will never be on my level. Period.
One of the most infamous street magicians is a man by the name of David Blaine, who would walk up to random people and show them the weirdest tricks anyone had ever seen.
Show it to them, show it to them.
That's it, man.
After becoming famous, he also froze himself alive, held his breath for an unholy amount of time,
Hello, how are you? I am under the water.
and recreated the Up movie, just without a house. The second main group of magicians is the famous stage magicians, people you see on TV or on social media. Now, some of these people are ridiculously way too good at card tricks. Shin Lim, for example, who won America's Got Talent, or Eric Chen, have completely inexplicable card trick routines. But although these elite magicians can be enjoyable to watch, the most entertaining stage magicians are the ones that just mess up live on TV in front of millions of people.
In this bowl, I brought some candies. They look the same, but the flavors inside are different. You're not gonna know what you're gonna taste until you pop one in your mouth. Pop it in your mouth, but don't say what you taste.
This flavor reminds me of my favorite flavor of ice cream when I was little. That's bubblegum.
It is, in fact, bubble gum. Give her a big round of applause. And if you would do the exact same thing, I want you to take one out as well. Pass it on over to me. Pass it on over.
I taste menthol.
Have you got it in mind?
What? Wait. It's in your mouth, right? I can't see it?
It is in her mouth.
Okay. Citrus. Citrus. Lemon.
Are you picking it up? It's okay. Send that into her mind. Focus really on that flavor. Send it into her mind.
Just say bubblegum.
No, it's
don't.
not.
Now, usually this is the worst a magic trick can fail, but of course there are exceptions. Take for example this magician who thinks it's a smart idea to hide skewers under paper bags and then smash those bags with another person's hand. And last and certainly least is just the casual card trick enjoyer. Now, this is a category I would put myself into, and these are the people who spend way too much time learning obscure card tricks and who think these card tricks are pretty cool, when in reality, well, they're not. Now, card tricks can range from the easiest self-working effects to the absolute hardest sleight of hand techniques. Each trick usually consists of a combination of different moves. There are approximately an unlimited amount of moves that you can do, so the only thing that limits a trick is your imagination. But among the millions of different card tricks, there is one that lives in infamy among all others: the 21 card trick. Now, this card trick is one of the most mind-numbingly boring effects ever to be created. Now, if you have no idea what I'm talking about, I'll explain it as quickly and concisely as I can. Basically, a magician takes 21 cards and makes you remember one of them. He then mixes them up until your card is lost forever, lays the cards on the table into 3 separate piles, and repeats the same exact step an infinite amount of times, making all the spectators fall asleep due to sheer boredom. And eventually, he says, "Is this your card?" And unfortunately, he gets your card right 100% of the time. In short, this trick takes 0% skill, has 0% entertainment value, and makes -0 cents to anybody. Another type of card trick, although not technically a magic trick, is card flourishing. Now, you may think you know how to shuffle pretty well. Maybe you think you have a pretty good riffle shuffle, but let me tell you, you don't. When you see some of these card shuffling enthusiasts, your skills are inconsequential in comparison. Most of the time, I don't even know what's going on when I'm watching these videos. I just kind of question the meaning of my life. I actually once thought my shuffling was pretty decent, but then I saw these guys and I remembered, as Constantine once wisely said, roses are red, violets are blue, there's always an Asian who is better than you. But anyways, you've heard a lot about card tricks now, and you're probably like, hey, I have a deck of cards I haven't used in a while. It might be fun to learn a card trick or two, show it to my friends, and become really popular.
Wrong.
But if you insist on learning an easy and I'd say pretty entertaining card trick, watch this video right here. But anyway, that's all I have to say about this. Thanks for watching. Bye.